Happy birthday, KRB. Stay safe and good health.
Hi kay Harvey, happy birthday, and gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo kasi sobrang naging mabait ka na pinsan sa amin, and I pray na ipagpapatuloy mo lang yan, hindi lang din sa amin pero pati din sa mga friends mo. Share ka naman ng brain cells, char, and God bless you, and happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Happy birthday. Congrats dahil 21 ka na. Grateful talaga ako kasi sobrang generous at mabait kang pinsan, kuya at kaibigan na din. Alam naman natin nung bata pa tayo, syempre kung nagbibigay ka ng laruan nun. Tapos hanggang ngayon, bala naman ng PS4. Kaya continue mo lang pagiging mabait at generous mga kaibigan. And yun lang kuya, ingat ka lagi. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi V! Happy birthday! I hope you will enjoy your day today and syempre for the rest of your lives. I'm so excited to see you growing and maturing in your relationship with God, sa family mo, sa friends mo, and some other of your social life. And ayun lang, stay humble. Super na-inspire ako sa'yo. Diba? Ate mo ko, pero syempre na-inspire ako sa'yo. And the way you put so much passion in your studies, that's what makes me inspired sa'yo. And ayun lang, I can't wait to see you fulfilling all dreams in your life. And syempre, with the help of God, through God's grace, He will help you achieve your dreams. And ayun, future engineer, let's go! Fighting! And ayun, God bless and wish you all the best. Dito lang kaming cousins for you. God bless you, be happy birthday.
Okay, Harvey, happy birthday. And ayun, grabe, 21 years old. Hindi ko expect na 21 ka na kasi nga, parang kailan lang mabata nyo pa, and ngayon mabot ka ng 21. So encouragement lang is that patuloy pa rin na makinig, okay, sa mga magulang, especially sa mga nakatanda, yung mas wise, kasi magagamit mo kasi yan, lalo na yung edad na yan is yung mga decisions na gagawin mo is makakapekto sa future mo. So you need to continue to learn from them, from us, para hindi ka na dumaan dun sa mga napagdaanan namin. Okay, and yun lang, maging matatag lang, and dyan din kasi nagsisimula yung mga tunay na pagsubok. Okay, pag nagtapos ka ng pag-aral, yung mga sariling decisions na kailangan mong gawin. Okay, so ayun lang, ingat lang lagi, and patuloy na manalangin pa rin. Si Lord pa rin ang kasangga natin sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. So I hope you'll have a great birthday, have a blast, and enjoy. Happy birthday ulit, RV, and God bless you always.
Hi, good afternoon. Happy birthday, our dearest baby boy. And you're no longer a boy right now, and you are entering adulthood. And I know naman na maganda yung upbringing ng mga magulang natin, at nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila na na-raise nila tayo with our different characteristics, ganyan. At Ngayon, pinagpapasalamat ko na naging kapatid kita. I have a very bright boy na kapatid. And I wish you na sana marating mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, all your wishes, all your prayers, at i-guide ka sa lahat ng tatahakin mo. And at sana mas mahigitan mo pa yung mga narating namin at hindi lalaki yung ulo mo. At sana maging always sweet ka pa rin sa amin, hindi ka pa rin mahiyang i-kiss kami whenever you go to school. At sana maging maganda rin yung takbo ng love life mo. Of course, alam mo naman yan. At andito lang kami to support you in all the things na gagawin mo sa buhay. And I'm very, very happy and very, very proud to the person you've become. And may you blossom more. I love you always. I love you. Ate loves you so much. Ganun din ko to it.
Happy birthday from Maui and me. So happy 21st birthday. Sana na nag-check out mo lahat ng mga nasa add to cart mo last 11/11. So, you're a year older and a little wiser. And continue to commit yourself to self-growth and study harder. Alam ko naman nag-aaral ka ng mabuti and hopefully maging future top notcher ka by 2023. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and have a blast with your family.